Morning, Tish.
Morning. All right, guys, let's get started. Today we're going to go over some facts concerning the founding of Pennsylvania. So we're going to start off with the Quakers. Would you like to join us over there? All right, we're going to talk about how the Quakers were Protestant reformers. They believed that all...
Hey guys.
Hey.
Wait. I should go skateboarding. You okay? You good? You seem a little upset.
Oh. My mind's been running like 1,000,000 miles a minute. I haven't really even done much. I'm tired.
Have you been on your socials all day?
How'd you know?
I was also on my socials all day, and before I knew it, I was so tired and just aggravated. That's the thing about social media, it doesn't physically tire you out, it mentally drains you, and it just makes you feel awful. So you kind of have to unplug to recharge, ironically enough.
Thanks. I'll try that.
Yeah. I'll see you later.
Yeah. See ya.